Atrocities is a heavy word, but it's correct. There are things many pet parents do, often without realizing, that truly feel like atrocities to your cat. If you don't address these ASAP, your cat will become convinced you don't love them. Let's explore these damaging behaviors and how to fix them. 1. Ignoring their greetings. You come home exhausted. Your cat waits with tail up, maybe a chirp or a meow. You breeze past them toward the couch. That upright tail, it's their version of opening arms for a hug. A University of Tokyo study found cats specifically modulate their meows when greeting owners. They're saying hello, and you're ignoring it. The fix? Pause 5 seconds, bend down, stroke their cheeks. That's all it takes. 2. Rejecting lap time. Your cat curls on your lap like a fluffy croissant. You move them because you're warm or need your tea. For your cat, that's emotional exile. Dr. Dennis Turner explains cats seek proximity like children with parents. Your lap is their safe base. Reject them too often, they stop trying. The fix? Use throws so fur doesn't cling, or place a cat bed beside you. 3. Shuffling them off furniture. Cats don't sit randomly. They choose spots that smell like you to mingle scents, like double-barreling surnames. Moving them says, you can't blend your scent with mine. The fix? Use washable blankets on problem spots. 4. Closed doors. Your cat scratches at the bathroom door with panic meows. They're not weird, they're territorial. A closed door cuts them off from their kingdom and from you. The fix? Leave doors cracked when possible. After necessary closures, offer extra affection as an apology. 5. Skipping playtime. Play isn't optional, it's hunting instincts in action. A 2017 study found daily play reduces behavioral problems and increases affection toward owners. The fix? Just 10 minutes with a feather wand works. End with a toy they can catch. 6. Inconsistent feeding. You eat randomly. Your cat needs ritual. A 2020 study found cats fed on consistent schedules show more affection and less stress. Unpredictable feeding feels like you're unreliable. The fix? Same times daily, or use an auto feeder. 7. Ignoring slow blinks. When your cat slowly blinks at you, they're saying, I love you. A 2020 University of Sussex study confirmed cats interpret slow blinks as friendly and safe. Ignoring it, like your partner saying, I love you, and you saying, good for you. The fix? Slow blink back. Watch their body relax. 8. Unnecessary baths. Cats spend 50% of waking time self-grooming. Their fur is their identity. Forced baths disrupt their self-perception and feel like judgment. You're unacceptable as you are. The fix? Use pet wipes for minor messes. Reserve baths for emergencies only. These small things compound. Each action either affirms or rejects your bond. The good news, every fix takes just seconds. Love your cat the way they need, and they'll love you forever.